Hello and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review of Bitcoin, and this week we'll be looking at Tron's TRX. It was last week's trailblazer. We'll be looking at the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels, the MACDs and the moving averages, and a glance at the trend analysis. This is the tech analysis for the week ending the 13th of September. Jumping straight into Bitcoin against the US dollar, we're looking at the daily candlesticks and the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels here. Bearish start to the week on Monday morning. Going to need to see Bitcoin move through 10,500 and the pivot level at 10,756 to support a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 11,587. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break back through to 11,000 levels, however. Expect plenty of resistance there. Barring an extended crypto rally throughout the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, could see Bitcoin test resistance at 12,000 before any pullback. Should see Bitcoin come up short of the second major resistance level at 12,898. The most recent high, 12,490, would be the greatest and major resistance level near term on the trend analysis. Failure to move through the pivot level would bring the first major support level at 9,445 into play. Barring an extended crypto sell-off through the week, Bitcoin should avoid the 23.6% fib at 8,900. Second major support level sits at 8,615. Looking at the MACDs, we've got a slight narrowing of the bearish histogram, but nothing conclusive to suggest any shift towards a bullish trend. On the EMAs, we're also seeing the 50 EMA narrow against the 100 and the 200, suggestive of another bearish week ahead. So key through the early part of the week to break out from 10,500 and that pivot level at 10,756 to target 11,000 levels to avoid a pullback through to sub 10,000s. Moving across to Tron's TRX against the US dollar. Also bearish start to the day and the week on Monday morning. Going to need to see Tron's TRX move through the pivot at 0.03685 to support a run at the 38.2% fib at 0428 and the first major resistance level at 048. Going to need to see broad-based crypto rally, however, for Tron's TRX to break back through to 0.04 levels, however. So barring an extended crypto rally through the week, that first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Tron's TRX could test resistance at 0.06 before any pullback. Should see Tron's TRX fall short of the second major resistance level at 06453 and the 62% fib at 0648, however. Failure to move through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 0.02034 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, however, should see Tron's TRX avoid sub 0.02 levels. We've also got the 23.6% fib at 0.0291 to provide support in the event of any pullback. Looking at the MACD, we've seen a sharp narrowing of the bullish histograms, suggestive of a possible bearish crossover. Looking at the EMAs, however, nothing conclusive to suggest a bearish week ahead. So key through the early part of the week would be to move through that pivot level at 0.03685 and a return to 0.04 levels to maintain that upward trend.